We're doing it. We're doing it. Got the Animal Crossing New Horizons Special Edition Switch. Game not included. I still think the whole situation behind getting it is just ridiculous.
Yeah.
We were so worried because everything had sold out everywhere. And then there was fucking like 4 or 5, 6 of them at that Walmart.
It was a good 4 or 5, yeah.
There probably were more too, honestly. Holy shit. And this was the most recent model of Switch, right?
I think so,
That
yeah.
supposedly had the better battery.
The better battery.
We're saying supposedly because, you know.
I doubt it.
Oh shit. Oh. It's the Tanooks. It's the Tanuki Mafia that you probably still owe money to in New Leaf.
Feels about the same as the other one.
Alright. Just prettier.
Right.
All the holes are in their right spots. Probably should have thought that through before I said that sentence. But look, you got the little Tom Nook and Timmy and Tommy, and they're so cute.
I love them.
They're so fucking cute.
Adorable.
Now let's be real. All of us, and anyone actually watching this, probably did the same thing where they just sold everything they got a hold of in New Leaf to Timmy and Tommy's shop to get them the best shop they could.
These are so pretty.
And the bright pastel Joy-Cons. Maybe they fixed the drifting issue too, finally. God, don't ever let Corey get a hold of these for any reason.
They're so pretty.
Ooh, multicolor.
Black is white.
Oh, that's right. It fits with the screen.
Yeah. Very nice. Most of the Joy-Cons are very bright, obnoxious colors, but these are nice and just, you know,
Right.
subtle. What else is in here? Ah,
The
thingy you put those in.
necessary components, I would assume.
Those there. Ooh. Come on.
You need a
Wow.
hand,
I'm trying to be gentle, but
right?
what I like about this is back's got the
Oh yeah, it's got the
animals, so-
little texture on there.
yeah.
It's so cool.
That's I like that.
It's so nice.
It's pretty. And with this, I want to get a clear protective case for this one.
Right. Yeah, it would be so upsetting to see this get damaged in any way.
Right.
You hold it up with your Animal Crossing shirt.
No.
See, she was prepared.
Shush.
It's so perfect.
So nice. Now we just need a game.
Right?
Now I just need that. Ooh.
March 20th cannot come soon enough.
Right.
Maybe it's for the better we didn't get the one that came with the game.
Yeah.
So one of us can work on the new one and the other can keep our old New Leaf files alive and make sure nobody important moves out.
But yeah. That was a lucky find, honestly.
Right?
Very lucky. I don't know how it wasn't sold out. But I'm not gonna complain.
Yeah, right? There were how many of them sitting at the Walmart? It's so weird too, because everywhere in that Walmart felt so bustling, except the electronics.
Yeah,
There was nobody
dead
in there. It's like you walked into a different dimension. Oh yeah, and this is perfect because you can play new Switch with the new controller that you got to go with it.
Yeah. It matches actually.
Right?
That's cool.
Got Animal Crossing for days.
It'd be cool if the buttons on the Joy-Cons were brown as well.
Right? To kind of match completely.
Yeah.
Still though, that's really nice.
Right. I'm not gonna complain.
Yeah.
So yay, Animal Crossing.
Well, to anyone who is watching, thank you very much. I'm sure we'll have plenty of footage recorded on the Switch soon.